Hi guys, I am just back from the track and in this episode I will show you what I will do with the bikes to get them ready for the next track days. I will start with washing and cleaning the bikes. So as you can see, the bikes were pretty dirty and it was definitely time to give them a good bath. And gone. The bikes are clean. Now we are putting the bikes on the lift to do the maintenance. And we have not one, but we have 2 bikes to check. For the next track day, it's allowed to make so much noise if you want. So first we are going to remove the debris killers. Hands on. That's one. 1, 2, 3, yes! Ta-da! We are going to remove the debris killer. Removed. So now it's open! Wiggle, wiggle. It's coming out. The second one sounds so much better without, if you ask me. And you have more power as well. 2 positive things. And you can see how much you have to push because you can see the lines. It's always better to be safe than sorry that someone holds a bike if you are working on a lift like this. You don't want to pull the bike off the lift. Yes. And 2. So now are the debris killers removed. It's all open and I can make so much noise if I want on the next event. And we have maintenance on the chain to do right now. So let's remove the wheel. When I do maintenance on the chain, I'm always using these products. It's the chain loop and the chain cleaner. It's nice that it's gold again. Now it's time to have a check on the braking system. We are checking the braking calipers and the braking pads. I have checked the braking pads. They are still enough for the next track event. The only thing we have to do now is to clean the braking calipers. Now I'm cleaning the brake calipers, cleaning all the braking dust and other debris what's stuck on it. This is my special recipe. It's hot water with a little bit of cleaning soap. In the Netherlands, it's called Dreft. From this motorbike, it's necessary to change the braking pads because these are the new ones. You can see immediately the difference. This is more material than this one. All the wheels are back in. Now it's time to bleed the brakes. We are always using this racing brake fluid. Now the last part is changing the oil. This was necessary. The bikes are ready to hit the track again, and now it's time to give a good clean my leather suit, shoes, gloves and of course my helmet. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!